I'm going to show you how to use a very interesting feature on the OnePlus 15 called Smart Notification Hiding. So basically, if you go into settings and then go to notifications and quick settings, tap on that, and then scroll down to more settings and tap on that. If you scroll down, you will see Smart Notification Hiding. So basically, this feature, what it does is the contents of banner notifications will be hidden when the front camera detects someone other than you is looking at your phone. So maybe you're watching something on the phone with someone, maybe a colleague or a friend or even your spouse, and a notification comes in, it's going to be hidden from the smart bar. So the way it decides when to hide is the front camera detects when someone other than you is looking at the front facing camera, because you might be looking at something with someone on your phone. It's going to hide those notifications. So this is why you can enable. And if you enable for the first time, you have to agree and of course enroll your face. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in our passcode and let's add our face to that. So I'm gonna add my face. As you can see, I'm trying to add my face here. There you go. So once your face data has been added and you tap on done, now it knows your face and it knows when it's you looking at the phone or someone else, or you and someone else looking at the phone, and it's gonna smartly hide your notifications. So that should be an AI feature, which should be interesting. I'm gonna test it out and see if that works for a different video. Thanks for watching and good luck.